All right, next group coming down. Easy now, straight ahead. This one here, lot 42, is drinking well.
Good hydration levels across the board.
Check the flow rate on this one.
It's steady. System seems perfectly clean.
Data looks consistent with the previous batch. All right, team, let's move this group out and bring in the next 3 for ultrasound. Scan complete. Looks healthy. Documented. Opening the gate now.
All scans clear. Proceed to gate 3. Confirmed. Moving the group now.
Did you log the water pressure readings yet? Yes, just finished. Everything is within parameters.
Looks good, clear it for the rollers. Roger that. Roger that. This grain looks excellent.
Agreed. The consistency is perfect for the gray order. I'm marking this section for slight color variation. Okay, updating the record now. Final approval looks good.
The color saturation looks excellent on this batch.
Agreed, the finish is perfect. The tolerance here is plus or minus 2 millimeters. Good. We need to maintain that consistency for the client.
The measurements look good here.
Yes, the nesting on the brown leather is optimized. We can start the cut.